What is the ERC20 token standard? ERC is an abbreviation for Ethereum Request for Comments. It is a set of rules and regulations that serve as a model for Ethereum-based tokens. This allows developers to easily create tokens with their desired functionalities, without having to start from scratch. For a beginner in crypto, the ERC20 token is most likely the first standard you will hear about. This is because there are thousands of tokens that follow the standard. So, what is it all about? Well, it is a standard designed for fungible tokens that are compatible with the Ethereum network. The term fungible refers to assets or commodities that can be exchanged with other assets of the same kind. Some real-life examples are shares, currencies, lottery tickets, or gold certificates. ERC20 tokens work just like these other real-world tokens, but live on the Ethereum blockchain, benefiting from its security and technology. The ERC20 token standard defines 6 functionalities that a token must be able to implement. 1. Total supply. This provides information about the overall supply of tokens. 2. Balance of. Provides the balance of the owner's account. 3. Transfer. It takes a set number of tokens from the overall supply and sends them to a user. 4. Transfer from. It executes token transfers between 2 users. 5. Approve. Allows a user to withdraw a set number of tokens from a specific account. And finally, 6. Allowance. Checks to see if a user actually has enough tokens for a particular transfer. Wow! You have done amazing. Standards are one of the technical aspects of blockchain technology. Good job!